Today's video, I'm going to be replacing this radiator on this Canyon. And the reason why is because it's leaking at the bottom of the radiator. I'll be able to show you once I take out the old one. There's a splash shield. There's 4 15mm bolts. You go ahead and take those off. Then you have access to the bottom of the radiator. On the passenger side, there's a petcock. I'm going to go ahead and drain the remaining coolant in here. $10mm for the mounts. We're going to take out the power supply for the fan. Press down, pull out. $10mm on this back end. 10mm in this access hole right down the middle. 10mm on down here. Push down on the clip and pull out. 10mm for the fan shroud. And there you go, there's your fan. Now we have access to the radiator. And right there you can see the wetness and the dried up coolant over the... Take off the retainer clip. $12mm. Bottom of the radiator, you have these slots, and with the screwdriver you just press in on all 4 tabs. So once you unlock all 4 tabs, the radiator is going to fall, and then you can pull it out from the top. And here's your old radiator. So with the system pressurized, it was just leaking out from here. You can see all the dried up coolant. So now we'll go ahead and install the new one. And here we have the replacement. We can go ahead and remove the anchor cap since we left it on the truck. The transmission cooler ports come with new clips, so all you got to do is slide them in. Get a clean rag, wipe off the sealing surface, get a little bit of fluid so it doesn't go in dry. And then you put these little caps back on. So you're going to want to use Dex-cool. Go ahead and fill it up. And you're just going to keep an eye out on the temp, make sure it doesn't overheat. Heat on high. You're going to put the heat on high so you complete the heater core system. And just keep an eye on the temp. And just go over everything. Make sure you're not getting water out of the upper radiator hose, the lower radiator hose. Getting 130 out of the vents. So we know the heater core system is blood. And we're good on temp. Then when you know you're good to go, you can throw on the radiator cap, because it probably won't get to full temperature until the system starts pressurizing it. And that's how you replace a radiator on these Canyons. Hopefully this video helps y'all. You have a good one.